Videoloft is a cloud-based video surveillance platform that lets you watch camera live feeds and recorded events from compatible IP cameras, NVRs and DVRs. You can either choose to replace the local recorder completely or back it up in the cloud.
With compatible IP cameras, you can choose to bypass your local storage altogether and send your footage directly to the cloud. This simplifies installation, saves time on site and removes the risk of your local storage failing or becoming damaged. All you need to do is connect your cameras to a switch and put the cloud adapter on the same network as your cameras. We're compatible with most leading brands of IP cameras and many more via NVR.
You may still want local recordings, but what if you want to store the video for longer than the recorder can manage, or you want to protect against the recorder being stolen or damaged? You can get the best of both worlds by adding cloud backup to a compatible recorder. Videoloft is compatible with a wide range of leading recorder brands, and you just need to make sure that the cloud adapter is on the same network as the local recorder. And you can view the full compatibility list via the link in the description.